Okay, welcome back, and hopefully you were able to create an assembly in which you're in the isometric view and you can see all the parts clearly as to how they should look. Now, one of the things I'm going to show you here real quick and just briefly that we're going to be doing is you can create what's called an exploded line sketch. An exploded line sketch is how we show the path or the connecting routine that's going to put all these parts together. In SolidWorks, that's also in the assembly ribbon right next to the exploded view, and the exploded line sketch is going to add a relationship using a 3D sketch between each element. And I'm just going to demonstrate that a little bit. It'll be up to your instructor's discretion as to whether or not you put this into your drawing. But let's go ahead and show that just a little bit here. So I'm going to activate the line view. And we need to connect items, and it's very important how you select those items. So I'm going to select that circle edge there to the circle edge over here on the axle support, and it's going to create a little line there. Okay, and that's going to show me how those two are supposed to line up. So I'm going to lock that in, and then do the same thing using the same points and with the bolts. And so I'm going to go to here and then down to here if I get that bolt edge. So again, now I've got a little bit of a issue there, so let's go ahead and delete one out, and I want that in there. Let's go ahead and take both those out and make it a little clearer for you. What if we go from here straight down to here? So I know where that fastener goes, and again it just shows a line and they're all composed. I can then do a connecting line straight down through all the wheel itself and lock that in, so we know those are all connected together, and I can continue my process of just showing where pieces fit, and it will do all the jogs that I might need in order to show that completely, and I put those lines in play, and that creates my exploded line view. And again, connecting all those together. It does make the drawing a little bit more cumbersome as we show things, but it is an option that you may choose to use if you are inclined to do so. So there we have the exploded lines, and go ahead and if you are asked to do so, now you know how to create those. Other than that, it's exactly the same as the exploded view, and everything else from here on out will act the same. But that does give you another option on how to display your parts. Go ahead and practice that if you will. If you decide that it's not something you want to do, you can select each line and delete them out as you would any line in a sketch and remove those. Alright, go ahead and try that if you'd like, or you can skip and move to the next segment.